ultimately it has a political price as well. So to talk on this important subject, we have in our studios Syed Tanseer Bukhari. He is the senior Supreme Court advocate, as well as he was ex-president Rawalpindi Islamabad Tax Bar Association. Most welcome to you, Tanseer sir. Thank you very much for being here.
Which is
You are absolutely right. Absolutely right, Advocate Syed Tanseer sir. On May 6th, the government has made an amendment into the tax laws, curtailed the right of appeal before the Commissioner Inland Revenue, and barred with the certain financial limits as well. So in case of dismissal or rejection of any sort of appeal, the next forum is the High Court. So what is it all about? Do you not think that it has curtailed most of the things for the business community?
Thank you very much having me with you, and say hello to Dr. Hasnan especially. On 6th May 2024, legislation has been promulgated through enactment of Parliament. Before going to this enactment, the government was in hurry to enact this legislation through ordinance. What behind it? What happened? We have to make the drastic changes in appellate forums in Pakistan since 1947 till to date, especially in the Income Tax Ordinance and Sales Tax Act and Federal Excise Duty. Custom was little bit different. There was the adjudication system was little bit different from the income tax and sales tax hierarchy. At the moment, one question come into my mind: what happened with the Prime Minister to take this action on a very, very aggressive way? The reason, when I can say more than 12 years, our country is facing the political instability. Day and night changes, day and night. Who is coming, who is going, who is in behind the bar, who will out of the bar. So this make this country damage. What are the changes? I just go through for your audience. Those are interested to see the tax laws in Pakistan. Here is the section 127 deals with the commissioner appeal process, filing of appeal before the, if any taxpayer aggrieved with the order of the adjudicating authority officer, which is deputy commissioner or the additional
Obviously,
commissioner,
he has the right
he
to
can
appeal.
prefer this appeal under section 127, 128 and 129. What has been changed? Commissioner appeal now bound to hear the cases in income tax matters less than 20 million. One.
Okay.
Less than 10 million in sales tax matters, less than 5 million in federal excise duty matters. What is the rationale of it? What is the rationale of it? Okay, it's all right. The main thing is this, which is the, you can say, the curtail the right of one forum, which is the fact-finding forum appellate tribunal, which is established under section 130. Now a businessman file first appeal to the commissioner appeal if his order is below the 20 million and he lose this order from this forum, he immediately jumps, climbs over the High Court. And you know, especially we are residing over here in Islamabad, only 7 judges with a burden of thousands of cases. Here is a main flood. Now I think so more than 54 commissioner appeals across the country. Daily basis, if 10 order passed, then what will be the scenario in High Court?
Means once again the business community or the businesses are going to into the litigation, and that is not going to be solved in nearly 1 to 2 years. So it is going to be cost the economy particularly.
Of course. And one another thing, here is the filing fee enhanced from 100 rupee to 50,000 rupee. Besides thinking here, one of the taxpayer who is a small taxpayer, he get the order of, for example, 4 lakh, 3 lakh, 2 lakh, but it's important for him that 2 lakh is equal to 2 billion for him. We cannot say this is a small amount. Okay, he will file appeal before the High Court with this deposit fee, 50,000 rupee.
I can't understand. It's going to be very unfair.
One another thing, these all things happened. Here is the Prime Minister vision is very clear. He heard from some, you can say, important persons that 2.7 trillion rupee is stuck in the appellate tribunal. So since last 10 years, I heard it, maybe confirm, you can confirm it. It is very strange, not since 10 years. It is today figure. And every day there is the insertion in the backlog, and already outflow the cases.
ठीक.
So